This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Moai in Minecraft. First, gather your essential building blocks like stone, chiseled stone bricks, and stone stairs. Think about using a variety of gray-toned blocks to add texture and depth to your creation. Before you begin, plan your Moai's dimensions. They are typically around 10 to 15 blocks tall, giving them a grand presence in your world. This initial planning is crucial for a successful build. Now, let's start building the foundation. Begin with a sturdy base, perhaps a 3x3 or 4x4 block foundation, depending on your desired scale. Then, build the main body upwards, primarily using stone blocks to ensure a solid and imposing structure. As you ascend, gradually taper the body slightly to create a more realistic and authentic Moai shape. This gives it that classic, monolithic appearance. Next, we'll focus on crafting the iconic head. Utilize chiseled stone bricks for the distinctive facial features, particularly the eyes and the prominent nose. It is important to create strong brow ridges and a defined jawline to truly capture the Moai's essence. For the ears, add stone stairs or slabs, extending them slightly from the sides of the head. These details bring your Moai to life. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your magnificent Moai. Take some time to refine the overall shape, ensuring smooth transitions between all the different sections. Incorporate subtle variations in block types, perhaps some cobblestone or mossy stone, to add visual interest and texture. Lastly, consider placing your finished Moai in a suitable landscape, like a beach or a grassy plain, for a truly authentic feel. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.